Today, I'm gonna go for a drive. I'm gonna get some cinematic clips, hopefully, and some exhaust sounds, and just have some fun. So I'm still trying to figure out the mic for the back, for the exhaust. It is a 3-inch straight pipe. I did a 2 1/4 adapter to 2 1/2 right at the flanges to meet to the headers. And then I cut the sides out of the 2 1/2-inch pipes and merged them into one 3-inch pipe. And then that's only maybe like an 8-inch extension off of the manifold. I recently installed a 18-inch vibrant resonator, which you can find on my channel a little while back. Maybe I'll put that somewhere up in the corner. And it toned it down a lot. It got rid of a lot of the rasp, made it a little bit quieter, but not much. And then I have a 6-inch bullet muffler at the back, which really does absolutely nothing. This is what you get in backcountry. Everyone's backed up for a side-by-side driving down the shoulder. So I have to say, I really do like the sound of the exhaust. It's got a nice tone to it. It really screams when you're revving high, like anything over 3,500, 4,000. I mean, this thing only revs to 7,000 anyways, but I'm always striving to try and find something exotic, something different. I have some ideas that I might work on over the winter. I've got a lot to do, so it really kind of depends. Train tracks. So I have a spot just off the highway that I normally go to. I'm hoping it's not too busy. See, it really starts to scream when you rev it out, but otherwise, it's pretty mellow, to be honest. And we're here. That's a nice spot. Doesn't that just look beautiful? I really love the angel eyes. One of my favorite aesthetic mods that I've done to the car. There's a beautiful view all the way around. The clouds coming in. Well, there's not much left to do but do a pull and end the video. Thanks for joining. I had a great time. I hope you did too, and I'll see you in the next one.